Hi everyone, it's Jake. I'm at the Natural History Museum in London. I'm here to do some sketches and get some inspiration for this week's challenge. This week's art challenge was to create your own species. Okay, so you combine different animals together. So I'm going to take a look inside and then come up with my own animal. So I just finished sketching in the museum. Now I'm heading back home and I'm going to try and make up my own species. So I'll see you in a minute. So we're back in the studio and I'm going to show you the sketches that I made. First of all, some warm-ups on the train, just on the way there. And then I started off with some birds, some lovely shapes. Really interesting, the different beaks. Then I drew this dodo. Such a fascinating creature because it's extinct. Everyone that was walking past was saying, "Oh, that's the dodo." Interesting to see and just to listen to what people were saying about that exhibit. Then really liked this hard shell leopard tortoise. Then in the main hall I found an elephant, hippopotamus, and this little bat-eared fox which had a really interesting kind of shape to its head. Couple more sketches after lunch. Duck-billed platypus. The bettong, which is kind of like a miniature kangaroo / rat type thing. And I really like this sketch of this giant ground pangolin. Yeah, I just like the way that came together. I might try and use that texture in my creature. Then there was this really strange kind of mouse that had really tall feet. Then we've got the Goliath Frog, big old frog, and a funny looking Komodo dragon. And then I finished it off with one of the dinosaur exhibits. This is called a Mantellosaurus. Really cool. I had a lot of fun. Now I'm gonna try and sketch my own by mixing some together. There we have it, my Pango rhino fox. I loved using that pangolin texture, the scales, kind of the big scales interlinking. Foxtail on, I like this swooping, and I'm gonna have another go. So a bit more of a simple design. Here's my frog lizard fish. I had the light coming from this way, and I quite enjoyed putting on these kind of scaly texture in the shadow side of its body. That was a bit of fun. Let me know what you think. I find drawing from imagination very difficult. I've learnt a lot today and had loads of fun combining animals. My top tip is to remember that this is an exercise. Give yourself the freedom to make mistakes and make a mess on the page. Don't worry about failing and let your imagination run wild. Find some animals, mix them up, and create a name for your species too. Share your artwork on Instagram with the hashtag Jake's Art Club, and we'll make sure to feature you on the next stream. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you there. That's right. It's time for a Jake's Art Club.